Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, most wearing, most demanding, beautiful and trendy women crocheted blouse designs, top designs, different ideas, different color combination contrasts for you. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women crocheted blouse designs, top designs, new ideas for stylish ladies. You can see in this my video. Latest uploading ideas, latest fashion ideas for stylish ladies. You can see. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of crocheted blouse and top patterns. Decorated with flowers, beaded stones, beautiful flower patterns. You can see also new designing ideas, new color combination contrasts, stylish colors, light and dark colors. You can see. If you want to buy this very beautiful crochet blouse and top patterns, then I will tell you some websites named like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.